All right, let's discuss sessions. So we have our Asian session, our London session, and our New York session. We all need to understand that these sessions work hand in hand, so you can use the information that other sessions provide for you to your advantage in your current session. So I always advise people to pick a session that they can work with, that they can be consistent with, so that it does not interfere with their day-to-day life. All right. So in the markets, right, on a good day, you will have an Asian range. That's during Asia, the Asian session. And then when London opens, you have some sort of a breakout, retest, and another possible drop. And then towards New York opening, you will have price coming back into the Asian range. And when New York opens, some sort of a retest and reversal for price to continue going in the chosen direction. All right. So you will have something like this on a good day. All right. So if you have something like this on a good day, this gives you a huge advantage in the markets because you know what to expect before it even happens. So you just have to wait for your signal and confirmation for you to enter. All right. So let's look at it in the other direction. So since this is an uptrend, let's look at it in a downtrend. All right. So what I'm saying is you need your Asian range. All right. When London opens, price will give you some sort of a breakout, retest, another wave, and then you're towards the New York opening, you have price coming back into our range, some sort of a retest, and then continuation in the downtrend. All right. So a lot of people would have lost money here, 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 before price even goes into the direction that it wants. So they would have collected enough orders for price to keep pushing in the downtrend instead of it pushing higher. All right. So now let's look at the information that we have on our previous Friday. That was last week. So on Friday, we had an Asian range. As you can see, this is our Asian range, or this is our Asian range. This right here is our Asian range. And then you have London opening, as you can see, breakout, retest, and final drop. All right. So yes, that small bullish candle, we're looking at it as our retest because as you can see, if price wanted to go higher, that candle should have closed above our previous bearish candle, but it did not, showing us that the sellers were still in the game and they were still quite strong for price to make another push down before it reverses. All right. So if this is not giving you enough information since it's on a 1 hour time frame, you can always go to the 15-minute time frame. Remember, the 15-minute time frame is for those who are very careful with their trading. All right. We have our Asian range, as you can see, right? Breakout, retest, and final drop before price made a reversal. All right. So this is Asia, this is London, and then we have New York move. All right. So now let's combine the New York move to our London session. All right. So since you know this format and you have seen that price is giving us an Asian range, a fake out, a fake breakout, because if price wanted to continue going lower, then we would have price pushing lower. However, it didn't, showing us that this was a fake out. And then the next thing that you have is a strong engulfing candle. This is an engulfing candle, a strong, valid one, because it engulfed 4 previous candlesticks. And this is a 1 hour time frame telling us how strong it is. All right. So if price wanted to go lower, it could have gone way below here. We should not have seen price coming above our previous bearish candlestick. All right, we should have seen price possibly come to retest and then fall, but it did not. telling us that we have a reversal that's in play. All right. And when New York session opens, you can see how price made another push, some sort of a retest, and then pushed higher. All right. So this would have been your signal. Our engulfing candle could have been your signal and your confirmation if you were in the market the moment it happened. And if you were not in the market the moment it happened, I want you to take note of what happens here. All right. So let's check what time that is in the market. Right. So that's our 3 o'clock candle. So this is our 2 o'clock candle. All right. Price is bullish. You have an engulfing candle, right? Signaling you a reversal in play. Price closes back into our Asian range. And to make it even better, we had a daily range, a strong daily range, right? Price broke out, failed to stay out, came back and closed into our daily range, our Asian range, telling us that price is making a reversal. All right. Now, in our Asian range, we have a bullish candle that closes above our Asian range. That's your confirmation. Price is telling you that, okay, we are going up. There's no other way. All right. And if price wanted to go down, then this bearish candle should have closed below our bullish candle, our previous bullish candle. The same analysis, the same view that happened during London session is the same view that you're using here. And to make it even better, you have the next candle closing bullish, showing you a confirmation. So price made a fake out, right? Price made a fake out, reverse to come back into our Asian range, right? And then it made a small range telling you that price is gearing up to give you the next push. All right. So you could have looked at this range as your signal to see what price is doing, but the following candle would have been your confirmation, as you can see. So if you had not managed to enter here, you still could have entered the fall on the candle that broke out from our small range, pushing price higher. And yes, this one strong bullish candle is all you would have needed to collect all your profits for the day. All right. So what are we saying? We are saying price will give you an Asian range, right? Some sort of a fake out, retest, another drop. Because remember, you need your 1, 2, 3 wave for price to give you a reversal. All right. So introduction, retest, they enter more orders, final drop, you take your profits out. That would have been your London session, your London trade. So see your breakout, enter it, retest, price drops, that would have been your trade. If you look to your left, that's exactly your trade because that's where price rejected. All right. And then you have an engulfing candle. What is our engulfing candle telling us? It's telling us that price is making a reversal because it closes it back into our daily range and back into our Asian range. All right. So you have a signal. The next candle that followed up is a confirmation. Okay. You could have entered right there because if we had some sort of bearish in the market, price would have rejected there. Okay. So let's say at that point, you're not in the markets yet, right? You're waiting for New York to open. You come when New York opens, which is at this candle right there. All right. Our candle right here. All right. So we had price coming back into our Asian range, as you can see. So since price is back into our Asian range, what we have price pushing to close above our Asian range. So we have price closing above our Asian range. All right. Some sort of a retest for it to push higher. What did we have? We had some sort of a retest, as you can see. Price gave us a bearish candle, rejected, right? Signal, rejection. confirmation, entry, stop loss, and your target. So that big bullish candle would have been your candlestick to work with right there. All right, so we have a small range. If you go on the 15-minute time frame, you would see that there was a small range, and as soon as price breaks above, you would have used even an impulse entry would have been perfect for this situation, because price is telling you that there was some bearishness, but that bearishness got kicked out, and now price is so much bullish volume in the market that you can take an impulse entry, because our first engulfing candle is showing us how much volume is in the market. This candle right here is showing you how much volume is in the market. If there was no volume, then this candle would not have been that big. It's showing us how much there's bullish volume in the market. All right, so you had 1, 2, 3. That's a great impulse. 1, 2, 3 wave done right there. All right, so you would have used your Asian information, your London information to attack a trade during New York. All right, so for you to use this type of setup, it is important to understand that you need your Asian range, and you need to watch what price does during New London session. See if London session gave you a breakout and then it came back into the Asian range. If it does that, then you know what is meant to happen during New York session, and then you need to understand that you need to be patient and use that to your advantage. All right, okay.